Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizka Priya from the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, English Languages Education Study Program. Here I will convey about understanding the evolution of reading habit in the digital generation. Korea survey results show that reading interest in Indonesian is very low. The National Library in 2015 result that only 10% of Indonesian people aged over 10 years old like to read books. The question, the question is whether the current reading interest can reflect reading interest as a whole. Given that reading media is a very diverse, the development of information and communication technology has brought changes to the characteristic and culture of society, including reading behavior in society. Reading is basically a language skill through understanding text with the aim of abiding information, increasing knowledge, entertainment, and self-development. Thus, text in any packaging that encourages thinking activities to achieve. The reader's goals can be categorized as reading activities. What must be analyzed next is what is read, where the source is from, what media is used, and for what purpose. Know what is read is a very useful for the development of information courses or reading materials that will be profit so that readers get good reading materials from trusted sources. Indonesian societies was born with an oral tradition. Children have known fairy tales since childhood. Before knowing writing, many historical facts were only conveyed orally. After knowing writing, historical manuscripts and inscriptions could be found. The reading culture grew but could not defeat the oral tradition. Internet technology has been built since the 1960s, but the term Internet itself was only known in 1980. Until the 1980, ICT was still very limited and paper, print books was still the main reading media. In 1982, CD technology was officially released. There was an alternative information storage media in the form of CDs. Then, many manual books were packed on CDs and many include information on CDs uh, accompanying print textbook. In 1995, website technology developed with the breadth of GeoCities. This means that the variety of information media as well as a reading media has increased with the presence of digital media. In 2004, Google introduced Google Print, which later developed into Google Book, a full-text search service for books and magazines in digital form scan result. From Google in collaboration with a number of publishers around the world, access to books is getting easier with the acceptance of digital service and e-books. Digital libraries are also growing. People tend to receive information from various sources quickly, especially after social media experienced rapid growth in the 2000. With the development of ICT, the characteristic of society are changes. Today's society, especially those born in digital era, tends to be connected to the internet at all times, wants to get information from various sources and in multimedia from quickly. Thus multitasking work interacts in real time and can create unlimited content. This affects the needs and behavior of reading. People's reading behavior has also changed. When we hold a gadget, the world feels like it's in our grasp. Every time we read, be it a reading web content, news content, social media news feeds, ebooks, emails, and so on. Access to reading material is so as easy. On the one hand, this makes people want to be fast, read messages quickly. The evolution of reading habits in the digital generation is marked by a shift from physical books to digital content, such as uh, such as e-books, blogs, and social media platforms. Generation Z tends to spend more time in front of screens to read, and often prefers short, easy to consume content. In digital generation era, many people have various ways of reading such as 1. Skimming. They often read by skimming or reading quickly to find important information rather than reading in depth as they do with physical books. 2. Multitasking. The digital generation is used to doing many things at once, including reading while listening to music or opening social media, which can affect focus and concentration. 3. Social interaction. Digital platforms such as social media are a place to discuss books, get recommendation, and get involved in reading communication. Maksudnya, and get involved in reading communities. In this case, of course, it also has a negative impact on society, especially young people. On the social side, the decreasing internet in physical books leads to the decrease in fact to facts interaction in the literary community. In the past, people who visit libraries or physical bookstores had the opportunity to meet, discuss, and share book recommendations directly. With the shift to digital service, many people feel more isolated because the interaction that occur are more limited the to the virtual world and sometimes not as warm as direct discussion. In addition, from an economic perspective, the transition from physical books to digital service has had a negative impact on the physical books printing and distribution industry. Physical books require much higher production costs, including printing, packaging, and distribution. This makes physical books more expensive than digital books, which are more affordable. And finally, from an educational perspective, in the world of education, physical books provide space for readers to reflect and think more quickly without the distraction of notification or other application on digital device. All through ebooks and audiobooks are as accessibly, easily accessible. They often lead to faster and less in-depth reading, which can reduce deeper understanding of the subject matter. So that's all I can say about the material on understanding the evolution of reading habits in the digital generation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.